Hello everyone, I'm trying Adam Ragusea's condensed milk and browned butter brownies. In a medium-sized pot, add half a cup of butter. Stir over medium heat until it melts and the butter browns. When it starts to smell like caramel, add a half cup of cocoa powder. Keep stirring for about a minute and then take the pot off the heat. Now add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then add a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of molasses, and 1 egg yolk. Mix until combined and then add 3/4 cup of flour. After the mixture is combined, you could add chocolate chips if you want, but it's not needed. Pour the batter in a pan. I used an 8x8 pan. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius for 35 minutes. You can also use a toothpick to test if it's ready or not. The less clean the toothpick is, the more fudgy it will be. Also make sure you cool it before you start to cut it so the brownies can get a little bit of structure. Overall, this is the best recipe I have tried so far, with a fudgy and chewy texture on the inside. I definitely recommend.